Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to stop seeing random stories on Snapchat. As you can see, I am the official website of Reddit, where the peoples provide their opinion regarding this. Here you will see, when people provide the solution. They says that, when you are on the story page, click on the three dots in the right hand corner, then select Hide Friend Story Suggestions. So, this is the solution. Here you will see how to hide or unhide a story in Discover. You can hide stories and show that you don't like. Press and hold on the tile and tap hide this content. Not all stories content can be hidden, and you can't completely disable a certain topic, theme or the Discover section. To unhide a story, tap the three dots at the top of the story screen. Then select View Hidden Stories. Then tap Unhide on the story you want to see again. You can also search at the top of the story to find the story again. Press and hold on it and tap Subscribe. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.